Thank you for joining this lesson. We're going to discuss indices. Simplify without using mathematical tables or calculator. 243 raised to the power of negative 2 out of 5 multiplied by 125 raised to 2 out of 3 divided by 9 raised to the negative 3 out of 2. Remember to subscribe and to share this link with friends. We're going to apply the laws of indices, and the first law I'm going to apply is the negative law of indices, which says that if a certain number has been raised to a negative index, let's say a is raised to negative m, we solve this by taking the reciprocal of the number. Then now the index becomes positive. So I will apply that one to 243 and also at 9. Therefore, I will have 1 out of 243. Then now, because it was power 2 out of 5, now it becomes positive, multiplied by 125 raised to the power of 2 out of 3. Then everything divided by 1 out of 9. This one is raised to 3 out of 2 instead of negative. Therefore, when you take reciprocals now, the negative in the index disappears. The next one, I'll apply what you call the fractional law of indices. And the fractional law of indices says that when a number, let's say a, is raised to m out of n, this is solved by taking the nth root of a, then I raise everything to power m. That means applying this law, the fractional law of indices, in all the terms now, I will have the fifth root of everything here, the fifth root of 1 out of 243, then everything at that point will have to be cubed. Fifth root, then I square, sorry. Then in the next, I will take the third root of 125. Then again, at that point, I'll square. Then I divide by. Applying the same law at this point, I will take the second root of a ninth. Then I cube. Then I cube what I'll get. So I've applied the fractional law of indices. Therefore, I can find the values now. When I take the fifth root of 1, I'll get 1. And the fifth root of 243, I'll get 3. Therefore, that becomes a third squared, making it 1 out of 9 multiplied by. This one becomes 5. Then squared makes it a 25. Then divided by. The square root of a ninth is a third. Then I cube. It becomes 1 out of 27. Therefore, now I can combine everything here. I can now combine and have 1 out of 9 multiplied by 25 divided by 1 out of 27 can mean multiplying by 27 out of 1. Therefore, by 9 I'll have 1 and by 9 I'll have 3. That means the final answer is going to be 7, 5. Therefore, the answer is going to be 7, 5 after applying all the laws of indices. Thank you for following. Subscribe and share.